Your ability to correctly identify order blocks on a price chart is essential for profitable trading smart money concepts. In this video, I will show you a great technical indicator that will help you to spot order block on any financial market. I will share with you the settings for the indicator and multiple real market examples. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. And first, in brief, let me give you my definition of order block. The problem is that in smart money concepts trading, there's no one single definition of that. And by order block, different traders quite often imply absolutely different things. To me, order block is a specific area on the price chart from where a significant price movement initiates and where the imbalance between supply and demand occurs. Also, this imbalance should strictly originate from a liquidity zone. That definition implies that in order to identify the order block zone, you should learn to identify the imbalance and the liquidity zones. And again, there is no precise definition of an imbalance on a price chart. To me, a valid bullish imbalance is a formation of a bullish engulfing candle, the candle that engulfs the range of a previous bearish candle with its body. Traders, don't miss my next free trading signal. Subscribe to my free Telegram channel now, the link in the description below. Bullish order block zone will be the area based on the high of a previous candle and the lowest low of these two candles. Here on pound dollar pair, I see a perfect example of a valid bullish order block zone. We see a very nice liquidity zone here that was tested. After the test of that liquidity zone, a bullish imbalance was formed. The price formed a bullish, high momentum bullish candle, and the order block zone is based on that imbalance. And a valid bearish imbalance to me is the formation of a bearish engulfing candle, the candle that engulfs the range of a previous bullish candle with its body. Bearish order block zone will be based on the low of a previous bullish candle and the highest high based on these two candles. Here's the example of a valid bearish order block zone on a dollar CAD pair based on a bearish imbalance. And there's one technical indicator that will help you to identify such order blocks. It is called All Candlestick Patterns on TradingView. In order to find this technical indicator on TradingView, open the Indicators menu and search All Candlestick Patterns. Click on that and the indicator will appear on your price chart. Then open the settings of the indicator and in Detect Trend Based On, choose No Detection. In Pattern Type, choose only the engulfing candle. That is the only candlestick pattern that the indicator should look for. And then click OK. And now let me show you how to find the order block with that. Let me show you the example of the identification of a bullish order block with this technical indicator. When you start the chart analysis, first you should hide the indicator. Here on the left, click on I and the indicator will disappear. Then after that, you should identify the liquidity zones and your task will be to patiently wait for the test of one of the liquidity zones. You can see that here we have a test of the liquidity zone. With this bearish candle, this liquidity zone was tested, and after we see the test of the liquidity zone, we show the indicator and we start looking for a bullish imbalance. You can see that after some time the price formed a bullish imbalance here and the indicator leaves a clear bullish signal. After that, after we see a confirmed bullish imbalance, the only thing that we need to do is to underline the order block zone, and our bullish order block zone will be based on the high of a previous candle and the lowest low based on these two candles. So here will be our order block zone. Let's study the example of a bearish order block. We are on Euro Aussie pair in a 4-hour time frame, and again the first task will be to underline the liquidity zones. You can see that here we have two significant liquidity zones. After we spotted the liquidity zones, we are patiently waiting for the test of one of these liquidity zones. After some time, we see a clear test of that upper liquidity zone. After we see the test of the liquidity zone, we turn on the indicator and we start looking for the imbalance. And you can see that many hours later, finally the market formed a bearish imbalance, and the indicator immediately leaves us the signal that the imbalance is formed. After the formation of the imbalance, we can easily underline the bearish order block zone. It will be based on the low of a previous candle and the highest high. That will be our order block zone here. Also, you should remember that this indicator is not perfect and occasionally it will miss the imbalances. But while you are learning to recognize order blocks, this indicator will definitely help you a lot. Let me know traders in the comment section if you have any questions. Also, let me know in the comment section which SMC topic do you want to learn in the next video. Don't miss my next free trading signal. Subscribe to my free Telegram channel now, the link in the description below, and do not forget to watch my other videos.